Traveling on a budget, tips and tricks. Plan and budget in advance. Travel during the shoulder season. Be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Use budget airlines or alternative modes of transportation. Choose budget accommodation. Consider staying in budget accommodation options such as hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals instead of high-end hotels. Eat like a local. One of the joys of traveling is experiencing local cuisine. Eating at local markets, food stalls, or smaller eateries can often be more affordable than dining at touristy restaurants. Research free or low-cost activities. Look for free or low-cost activities and attractions at your destination, such as parks, museums with free entry days, walking tours, or cultural events. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Prioritize your travel essentials and avoid splurging on luxury items or activities that may not be within your budget. Use money-saving apps and resources. Travel like a local. Use local transportation, seek out local recommendations, and engage with the local community. Remember to be mindful of your spending, prioritize essentials, and embrace local experiences for an affordable travel adventure. Thanks for watching.